Hey, Shakespeare was credited with saying, "The earth has music for those who listen." Well, I'm out here listening. What did he mean? What is music but sound, vibration, and frequency? Well, the frequency here is just under 8 hertz, which is just at the top end of the theta brainwave range. This place puts you into a state of relaxation, heightened consciousness, primed intuition. A place we can come and receive. A lot of the people I work with, they struggle with meditation. They say it's too hard, I can't do it, my mind won't stop, I give up. Yet they seem to recognize the benefits of such activities. Well, I say then come out into nature. Do a meditation with your eyes open. What is meditation? Being curious, being accepting of the present moment, being fully here now. Not in one's head in regret mode about the past or worry about the future. It's easier to leave all of that behind out here. Curiosity. This place is magical. There's so much to see, so much to touch, to hear, to smell, heck, even to taste. You could lick a big fir like the one behind me and get your B12. And acceptance, well, it's easy to be accepting out here. This place is perfection. It's wonder. It's the handiwork of the Creator. Today, humanity struggles with nature deficit disorder. And part of that is this technological revolution. Everybody's in smart cities on their phones and computers and video games. People are disconnected from themselves. So how do we find ourselves again? We have to come home. This is home. The frequency out here is healing. In my first master's degree, I did a research meta-analysis looking at all the literature on the benefits of time in outdoor settings. Research came out of Europe and US and Japan, and it was really remarkable. I was impressed by the sheer amount of research as well as the conclusions. So the benefits: peace, relaxation, rejuvenation, joy, wonder, clarity, self-awareness, a sense of oneness. Many people report having a spiritual experience, a connection to something more powerful. In terms of health benefits, improved cardiovascular health, lower stress, increased immunity. The plants out here actually release chemicals that we inhale. And when we do, our white blood cell production increases. And white blood cells fight foreign agents in the body. They go after tumors and viruses and other things. Healing actually happens much quicker out here. There's lots of studies that show that people that heal in or near a forest setting or a natural setting heal faster. Mental health outcomes. There's research that shows anxiety conditions improve, depression improves. The negative ions that you breathe out here actually fight depression. And you can find clinical research on these topics. ADHD, people that spend more time out here and yet suffer from ADHD find themselves with a greater capacity to focus and concentrate. There was a large European study where they looked at the results of over 20,000 people's experiences, and they found those that spent 2+ hours a week, and it had to be at least 2, reported greater mental and physical health outcomes. Parents, bring your kids out here. I was so lucky to have been introduced to the outdoors as a young child, and it's really stayed with me, and it's been a place I've returned to time and time again, and sometimes in my most difficult moments. This is where I sought refuge, healing, clarity, peace, understanding, connection. And this playground is free. I've seen so many memes about this being the original PlayStation. Well, it's true. Watch how kids interact out here. Learn from them. Play like a kid yourself. We've been encouraged to do so by many great teachers. The American philosopher David Henry Thoreau said, "I took a walk in the woods and came out taller than the trees." I think you can understand what he meant. And at this time, humanity is facing a massive transition. There's so much going on in the world, so much change, and much more to come. People are really grappling. What is true? What is right? Where are we headed? Many are in fear. I invite you here to give yourself strength to carry on. What would it take for you to come out here, bring your families out here every week for at least 2 hours? And if you're not close to a forest setting like this, find a beach, a park, a creek, a natural setting where you can tune in. Come home. Until next time, peace to you.